Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do green screen videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in our Adobe Premiere and we have this green screen right here. This will be our foreground and we want it to be placed right here. And we have this car as our background. So that is what we want to do. So we have it here in our timeline. This is the one. So since this is our foreground, we want to position it at the top of our background just like that. And now we're going to removing this green screen. So to remove that, you simply need to go into effects right here and you want to go and type in Ultra. And we're going to go using the Ultra key. So we're going to drag it into our green screen right there. Once you have dragged it, you want to go into our effects control right here. So we're going to go click here and go into effects control right there and click on the green screen clip. And then from here, we're going to go to the Ultra key and simply click on the eyedropper tool. Click on the green screen right there. And now it's gone as easy as that. And as you can see, it's very clean because the green screen footage is really good. But if it, in any case, you would need to tweak it up a bit so that you would have a cleaner cleanup on the green screen, then you can just go for the settings right here. You can go for the matte cleanup. You can choke it even a little more. Or you can go for feather if you do want to or if you need to. And then from here, we now have this footage right here. We now have it as its background and now we can position it however you'd want. Maybe we want it right here at the side and we can make it smaller. If we want to, we can go here and make the scale much smaller, just like that. And now we have it right here. So that is basically how you can do it right here. And now when we play it, it's now like this, just like that. And yeah, we have successfully removed the background and we now have this background right here. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.